Hey everybody, I'm making a quick dish of ramen and I just wanted to share this with you. I just pulled out a package of ramen. I don't use a little flavor packet. I'm going to make my own flavor. It takes about 4 minutes to cook. The recipe is going to be down below. I've got just some onions and some smoked turkey and lots of garlic and red pepper and red pepper flakes, and I'm going to saute that. And then I'm going to put together some water, light and dark soy sauce, just a little bit of brown sugar. And then I'm going to pour that into my vegetable mixture with my smoked turkey. And it's really, really simple. Throwing in some mixed vegetables, just a handful from the freezer. And then I'm going to cook that down. And you see how easy this is. Absolutely nothing to it. Great for a cold day. We're going to let that cook for about 2 minutes or 3 minutes. I'm going to toss in my cooked ramen. And you know that ramen only takes about 4 minutes to cook. And then I'm just going to toss it around and I'm going to serve it. And that's pretty much it. And I make all sorts of ramen. And if you would like for me to share some of my ramen recipes, I have hundreds, and I do mean that. I make ramen all sorts of ways. Make sure you just let me know in the comments. Remember to subscribe, hit that bell, and I'll see you in the next video.